Welcome to Home of Math, Numbers and Operations on Numbers Chapter 2. From today we are starting a new video from Conquering Set Math. Hope it will help you for examination. Let's start first part, practice question. Question 1. Simplify the following expressions. Here is expressions, so we can make it in separate sheet like this. So we will follow PEMDAS or BIDMAS. Okay, now let's start. So as for this rule, first we have to finish bracket work. So here is 13 minus 5, it should 8 minus, then third bracket start. So for indices 8 cube, it means what? 512. Then here is plus and here is minus, it should be minus 20. Then second bracket close, third bracket close, plus bracket start 7 minus 14 square, it means 196, right? Minus square should be what? Plus. So here is 196 and before minus sign, then bracket close, and here is minus 12 minus 6, it will be minus 18, right? Then 8 minus 512 minus 20, it will be 492, right? Then here is plus, but 7 minus 196 will be 189, minus 189, right? This one will become minus 189. So this minus and this plus, it will become minus 189 times minus 18. Okay, so 8 minus 492, and here is minus 18 and here is minus 189. So once we multiply, it will become plus, and after multiplication it will be 3402. Okay, then here is 3402 plus 8, so it will be 3410, right? Then minus 492. So our answer is 2918. Okay, hope you understand this one. This is a very simple thing, but we have to first bracket, then indices, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, which means minus. This is a one thing. Similar here, division and multiplication, it will be alternative. How? Which one come first? In left to right. Okay, number 1 done. Now number 2. Here is also we will simplify the following expression. Here is bracket start 7 divide 5 minus 2 divide 3 bracket close, divide again bracket start 2 divide 9 plus 1 divide 3 bracket close. So first, as per rule, we have to do bracket work. So here we can make a LCM. So 5 and 3 LCM is 15. So 15 divide 5, it will be 3 times 7, it means 21, minus 15 divide 3, 5 times 2, it will be 10, divide. Here is also same thing, LCM is 9 and 3 LCM is 9, So 9 divided 9 is 1, 1 times 2 it will be 2, then plus 9 divided 3, 3, 3 times 1 it will be 3. Now 15, 21 minus 10 it will be 11, divide 2 plus 3 it will be 5, divide 9. Now 11 divide 15, this division we can write multiplication sign, so 9 will be numerator and 5 become denominator. So after divide this one, 3 times 3, 3 times 5, right? So 11 times 3 is 33 and 5 times 5 is 25. It's an improper fraction, improper fraction. So now we'll make it mixed fraction. So how? 33 divide 25, so 1, 25 minus it will become 8, so 1, then 8 divide 25. This one is our answer, and this is a what? Mixed fraction. So finish. So number 1 and 2 finish. Okay, so here 1 and 2 done. Now we will start number 3. Number 3, let the set X be all the positive composite numbers less than 10 and the Y be all positive even numbers less than 10. Right? Here is 2 question. First one is composite number less than 10. So what is composite number? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all are less than 10. It's not saying less or equal, it's less than. So composite number has minimum 3 factors. So 1 is not composite number, 2 is not composite number, 3 is not composite number, but 4 is a composite number. How? Because 4 we can divide by 1, divide by 4, divide by 2. So as per question, X equals to what? 4, 6, 8, 9. This is composite number less than 10. Why we are not touch 5, 7? Because 5, 7 are 5, 7, 3 and 2 are what? Prime number. Okay, then set Y be all positive even number less than 10. So even number 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, not 10. So we already find set X and set Y. So here is question, what is X union Y and X intersection Y? So X union Y, X 2, 4, sorry, X 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, then union Y, Y means 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so union means common, uncommon, everything. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so X union Y done. Now X intersection Y. Again x means 4, 6, 8, 9, which is less than 10 of composite number. Intersection 2, 4, 6, 8, which is less than 10, all even number. Now look, intersection means only common. So here is 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8. So answer is 4, 6, 8. Okay, done. Number 4. What are the fractions 7 by 13, 8 by 15 and 9 by 17 from least to greatest? Look, these fractions are different denominator. So in this case, best thing to make this one decimal, like first one, this, it will become 7 by 13, 0.538. Okay, next 8 by 15, 0.533. Now 9 by 17, this one is 0.529. Now look, here the greatest thing is 0.538. So this one is largest number, and which one is smallest? 0.529. Okay, 0.529 is the smallest number. So we can write like this: 9 divide 17 less than 0.533. It means 8 divide 15. Now the greatest number is 7 divide 13. 7 divide 13. This is our answer. Number 5. Find the next three terms in the sequence. Here is 7, 11 and 15. For next three terms in this sequence, we have to find out the difference between each number. Like here is 7 and here is 11. The difference is what? 4. Again 11 and 15, difference is 4. So naturally next number will be 15 plus 4. It will be 19. Again difference is 4. So plus 4. It will be 23. Then again plus 4. The next number is what? 27. Right? So find the next three terms in the sequence: 7, 11, 15, then 19, 23, 27. Similar, number 6, number 5 done. Number 6, find the next three terms in the sequence. Here is 5, 15 and 45. So what is the difference? Look, in this sequence, once we divide, suppose 45 divide 15, we will get 3. Again once we divide 15 by 3 by 5, again we will get 3. So it means 5 times 3, it will be 15, then 15 times 3, it will be 45. So here is also 45 times 3. What will be the answer? 5 times 3 is a 5 and carry 1. 4 times 3, 12, 12 and 1, 13. So 135. So next one again times 3. So 3 times 5 is a 5, carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 and 1. So it will be 10, 0, carry 1. 3 times 1, it means 1. 1 plus 1. 3 times 1, it means 3, plus 1, it will be 4. So the answer is 5, 15, 45, 135 and 105. So after this, we already complete our all question of this video. Look, here is total 6 question and successfully we did everything. So from now, almost every day I will try to make some solution basis of set, and we try to follow this book. It's a McGraw-Hill's Conquering Set Math, second edition. Okay, and if you have any question, just put on your comments at comments box, and if you think these types of video are okay for you and it will help for examination, you should, and my request, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends or relative. Thank you.